Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to take snapshots and record clips from live view on XIAOMI C302. So first, while you're in a XIAOMI Home app, then you have here a couple of buttons. The first one is to take a snapshot. As you can see, it saves in the gallery. Right here you can delete it if you took a screenshot accidentally. And right here you have the camera to record everything you want. Also, you can click here, change the speed, change the volume, and delete if you took it accidentally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.